Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Lite and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to go back wherever you are to the general section, to the general list, and here just tap on the display and brightness. Then let's tap on screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got the list of all available screen timeout options. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option, which is currently applied, it is 10 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I will choose 2 minutes, it is immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that it is also notified right here, which means that from now on, after 2 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.